Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Purpose of making this video is just to make you aware of the some generic questions which are being asked in the CyberArk interviews nowadays. What are those generic questions? We will discuss these questions one by one. The first question which I faced in the interview, which was conducted recently, that is create local users in Windows and Linux. We are going to see practical how we can create users in Windows, users that is not only users, that is local users in Windows and Linux. Just you have to go in server manager, click on tools and computer management, then you will get one your local users and groups options on the left panel. You right click on the users, click on the new user and fill the user information. From there you can also create new user. And the second thing, you can create new user by command, that is lusrmgr.msc. We are going to see this practical how we can create user in Windows and Linux. Also in Linux, that is pretty much easier to create the user. So I'm going to share my screen now. I'm going to show you the practical how we can create users in Windows and Linux. I'm going to share my screen. Just hold on. Yes, I have shared my screen. That is visible. You can confirm that is visible or not. We are going to see how to create local user in Windows first. You go through the server manager option also, which I told right now. Click on tools. After that, click on the computer management. That is taking little bit time to open the computer management. This we will hold on. We'll wait for the opening this. We click on the local users and groups. On users, right click, new user. Fill the user information over here. User's full name, confirm password, and just you have to click on the create. Other option you have LUSR, LUSR technology, LUSR MGR dot MSC. My screen is not visible. Yes, I will share it in. Stop screen. Here I will do one thing. I will share entire screen. I hope that is visible now. Yes, that is visible. Previously, I have told you go to the server manager, computer management option. Just tools option over here. You have to click. I have clicked on computer management option. You will get the same screen as I am getting after clicking on the LUSR MDR. Or I am opening that LUSR MDR through this run option. Only difference is that I am getting direct local users and group that is local. Right click over here, new user, username, full name, description. If you want to enter, you can enter password and confirm password. If you want to change, user should change password in his first logon. You can check mark this option. If you don't want user to be change his password by phone, you can click the second option. User cannot change the password. You can click on third option. Password never expires. If you don't want this to be not expired, and if account is disabled, that is getting check mark automatically. So this is user creation in Windows. We have seen. Now we are going to check with the Linux. See, only directly I'm showing this screen which I have created in my previous video. Already I have created this user. Okay, I have used the command that is add user Krishna one. The only thing you need to log in as a root user in Linux or the account which is having privilege permission to create users and delete users in the same machine. So I am switching this to SU root. It will ask the password. Okay, it is switched to. Now command I am going to use add user Sri Krishna 2 I will create over here. One user with the username Sri Krishna 1 I have already created. Enter. It is asking me to enter the password. Okay, I have entered the password and I have confirmed the password. What is it is asking password unmatched. So maybe that password is unmatching. It is asking me to try again. I will click on yes and click on enter. Okay, that is now asking the full name. Password is matched. That's why it is going to the next step. Room number I will enter by default one. Work phone one. You can enter the details in production environment. That users details, users address. If you want to store here the work phone, home phone number and all. Other details I am entering one over here. Is this information correct? Yes, this is information correct. This is the correct information. The user is created. So I will do one thing, log this machine, or you can do other things. So open terminals. We try switching the user. That user is created or not. Yes, you. It is asking me the password. I will enter password over here. Okay, that is getting switched automatically. I am in root, so that is getting switched to Sri Krishna 2 automatically. We will take or Sri Krishna 1. We are trying to switch Sri Krishna 1. It is asking the password because Sri Krishna 2 or Sri Krishna 1 user is not having previous permissions. Okay. Okay, that is password is nice and I am in Sri Krishna 1. Okay, those were the questions. Two questions ask create local users in Windows and Linux machine. Okay. So the next question we are going to take is log check for the CPM. That is path. So if you know the path, you can check logs directly. CPM log file path. You can search on the internet. CyberArk. You can check over here log files. pm.log, what that file does. This file contains all the log messages, including general and informative messages, errors, and warnings. Second file is pm error log. This file contains only warning and error messages. pm console log and pm trace log. I will show you. Practically, we are going to see all these log checks and all those things in the upcoming videos. The second thing or second question that is being asked: vault security layers. There are different vault security layers. If vault is put in the work group, you need to protect that vault. Report data isolation is there, firewall is there, encrypted network connection is there, granular access control is there, dual access control security is there, visual audit trail is there. These are the vault CyberArk security layers. And the next question is being asked in the interviews is directories in the CyberArk. What are those directories? Those we can integrate in the CyberArk. If suppose I have worked on the Active Directory only, I know I have integrated that Active Directory with CyberArk using LDAP protocol. So I know that I can integrate Active Directory that is which is by Microsoft with CyberArk. But if I should know other directories also which can be integrated, that is TOLE, that is TOLE directory. Purely directory which is by IBM, which can be integrated with the CyberArk. That is, and the second directory is novel directory that can be integrated, and the Oracle directory is there that can be also integrated with the CyberArk. So these were the questions we need to be focused on. And friends, you can keep one thing in mind that if you are working in the environment and though you have integrated the environment, you have worked deeply in the environment, but that doesn't mean you don't know generic questions and you have deep studies. Sometimes you need brush up, which takes hardly 7 days to 8 days to brush up the things, because these are the technologies. If you are working on another technology, or if we ignore, or if you are aside a little bit, we may forget these things. So were the questions which I was supposed to make, that was for the public demand which I faced recently CyberArk interview. So, friends, thank you for watching my video, and please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends who is wishing to uh, make his career, his or her career in the cyber art. Will definitely help you out. So, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.